Okay, so my dear friends, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Please do your own research or consult a professional financial advisor before investing your money. Thank you. Look at the stock market today. It is bleeding red. The Dow Jones just dropped more than 570 points because of new political headlines about the US-Iran ceasefire ending. Most everyday investors see this red screen and panic. They immediately sell their shares because they get scared. But professional investors do the exact opposite. They look for opportunities. Even in a crashing market, good businesses win. For example, look at Apple and Broadcom. They just signed a massive $30 billion contract for custom American-made microchips. Because of this red business data, Broadcom stock jumped over 5% today, while the rest of the market crashed. This shows that individual company value matters much more than scary news headlines. The biggest winner of the day is Alibaba, which surged over 11%. It is trading right now at $108. If you calculate its real financial numbers over the next 10 years using safe conservative growth, the math shows its actual low-end value is $138 and its long-term potential is over $240. This means even after an 11% jump today, Alibaba is still heavily discounted and on sale. The lesson is simple. Don't let headlines control your portfolio every 5 minutes during a crash. Trust the math, find the real business numbers and buy good companies at cheap prices. If you want to learn how to analyze stocks like a business owner, hit that subscribe button.